Okay, so income. You can review and update the income on this page. You can click on the calculator to input the income or to help you calculate the income. Let's say you want to calculate a yearly income. But the income, what's important about income is the income must be entered for every adult in the home. If there were more than just this person in the household, there would be a column for each adult member with white boxes where you could either input the income or you can use a calculator to calculate that income. Once you complete income for every household member, you can click next. And then the system's going to tell you whether your eligibility is whether you're eligible or whether you are not eligible for a service. So based on the information that you've put in so far, the system is going to say, okay, based on the information you provided, you may be eligible for this service, and it will allow you to continue.